To complete a French knot, you're going to take your needle and you're going to go from back to front and pull your thread all the way through. And then take your thread, wrap it around the needle, and then hold it, and then go beside the entry point and go from back to front to back, and then pull it slowly all the way back through. And then as you do, pull it taut, and then you've completed a French knot. Again, back to front, all the way through. And if you wanted to make it a thicker French knot, wrap it around the needle twice, hold that there, and then go right beside where you came from the back, and go back to the back, and then you've completed a French knot. Now after your roses are complete and so are your flowers, these will help to fill in the space to complete these little white French knot, little mini flowers. So that is how you complete the French knot.